So wouldn't it be more flexible in many ways to go off and vibe code and get your own solution?
Yeah, I mean, it's a very interesting. I mean, someone put onto Teams the other day about £30 million deal which had done for a SaaS platform, and someone said I can vibe code that. Vibe coded something like it in an hour or so. But the missing the point entirely. And I think a lot of the things you said about security, maintenance, but there's also customer acquisition costs. There's marketing it. It's
Yeah.
maintaining clients. It's a brand. When you buy a company or invest within a partner or a companion for growth. It's so much more than just a tech. It's like when Excel came out, people could use Excel within an organization. Think I can do everything, but then it ended up someone left, and there was a really complex spreadsheet that no one could use or platform. So it's about being commercial. It's one of the things which are out there, buzzwords at the moment, and I think on a practical way it just is it doesn't succeed. It's nice and it's useful to use within a software company, but to just embed a vibe coded product within a company could be quite irresponsible from the perspective of the data security, the maintenance, and everything else that comes with investing within in a SaaS
Mm.
product.